Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Good morning. This is your 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, coming straight at you. And here is your quote for today. The pain you feel today will be the strength that you feel tomorrow. A crazy statistic for you here. You have survived 100% of your worst days. And that is a fact. Everything that you've ever been through has helped shape the person that you are today. Every good, every bad experience has been a building block that has helped shape you and your approach to life. Every pain, sad and bad moment will make you stronger for what your tomorrow has lined up for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.